Today I have Today I have brought a new topic, that is essay writing from your English 1. Essay writing. What is essay writing? We can express our ideas or views about something. Before writing an essay, I would like to let you know about its pattern. It follows a pattern. First of all, there will be introduction. We will give introduction about the topic before start writing. We will leave some space that is indented. Then we will start our essay with creative opening. We can start our essay with nowadays, these days, with a question, one of the most important issue. Then comes second part, that is body of the essay. Body of the essay includes the examples. We can give examples to support our ideas, but there should be unity and order while giving the examples. Then comes paragraph 1 and 2. Paragraph depends upon the length of the essay. Suppose we are given the instruction to write an essay of 150 words, then there will be 2 or 3 paragraphs. Then comes third point, conclusion. At last, we will conclude our essay with a positive note. Now here is the example. The value of games. Suppose we are given a topic, that is the value of games. We will start our essay before leaving a space. Then games are of utmost importance for all of us, especially the young people. Games make us active and smart. They enhance the power of concentration. Games have also a social value. They teach us many lessons like discipline, team spirit, obedience, punctuality, patience, fair play, etc. Then comes the paragraph, means body of the structure, body of the. Then comes the paragraph. A game should be played for the sake of the game. Victory or defeat is only secondary to the real spirit of the game. There are two types of the games, indoor games or outdoor games. Indoor games are played mostly inside the house like chess, cards, ludo, table tennis, etc. Outdoor games are played outside of the house like cricket, football, hockey, basketball, badminton, skating, golf, etc. Games must be played but in right spirit and with due care and caution that is required. Now this was our introduction about the value of the games. Then comes the body of the essay. Here I have given some examples. Then paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and at last conclusion with a positive note.